Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be trying out the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I kind of want to give it a go for me. I've heard that it's kind of like a cream putty. I know it's in the circle container, but you'll see that when we go and open it up. But yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I kind of want to give it a go and just see how it works out for me. Also, you might be hearing some background noise. That's because I have the windows open and they're like directly behind the camera. And Delilah's just having too much fun on the windowsill, so I'm not going to close them for her. So, sorry. But anyways, if you want to go ahead and see how this tests out on my face, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, you guys, I did open it. Like, I took it out of its, like, little plastic container case it was in because I just wanted to see how pretty it was. But can I just say that this is so freaking cool. Like, you pull it out and you're supposed to get the little plastic case, but I took it out just because I wanted to see how pretty it was. So this, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I love the colors of it, that blue. So it says a filter finish protective primer for all skin types. So it blurs the look of pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tones, primes with silk powder for long-lasting flawless makeup, protects skin from makeup and pollution. Color corrects with a universal shade for a healthy, soft-focused glow, and it's anti-aging. Its Japanese superfoods help restore the look of youthful radiance. So it's 0.7 ounces. I know you get this little thing to kind of get the primer out, you know, which is kind of cool, but I might just dip my fingers in it. Okay, so when you open it up, it's gonna look like this. I did swipe it a little bit, guys. I just wanted to see how it felt. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, it's like it's silky, silk canvas. I don't want to ruin it. Like, I just, oh, that hurts, that hurt, that hurt, that hurt. Okay, so that's how much I just took off. So I think that might have been too much. Was it too much? I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and start putting it all over. You guys, D is flying around here right now. It definitely smells very clean. Okay, you guys, I definitely used way too much. So, do you know what this reminds me of? My, Lush Cosmetics primer, the one that I use like all the time in my videos. It reminds me of that because it's like as it like gets to the warmth of your skin, it kind of just like melts in. Okay, you guys, so I pretty much have covered my whole face and I still have all this left on here. So I definitely took too much. So I am gonna put some on the back of my hand too, just to see what it does exactly. So it definitely makes it nice and soft and silky. Let me see my face and see what it's done on there. So it's covered up some of my pores, but not all of them. It did give me this nice like wash of like pearl, woo, hello, all over my face. So that color correcting, I can see that. But my pores, they're still there. They're just not as evident. And I'm fortunate I don't have like that bad of pores. Maybe it'll wear really good my makeup, I don't know. But for right now, it's okay. You know, sometimes I don't want something to completely cover my pores. My pores aren't that evident, so it's not as big of a deal for me. But my face does feel very, very, very silky. Very. It feels like butter. Like, it's just really nice. For foundation, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC cream. And this, or CC Plus, color correcting full coverage cream. And it's in Fair. I'm just going to give... Okay, hold on. I was just getting ready to put this in the back of my hands, and I'm looking as now where the Tatcha was put, and you guys, it has covered up a lot of like the, you know, little wrinkles in the back of my hand, and my hand feels like velvet. Wow. Let me look at my face really quick. Okay, for some reason, it just covered up some more of my pores. I still have a little bit like right in here, My forehead looks pretty good. That's really weird that I just did that. Gosh, it feels like velvet. Oh my gosh. Let's see how it wears with this. Alright, I'm not going to put too much on. I'm going to wet my brush really quick. Okay, so foundation is down and laid, and it looks pretty good from my mirror. Okay, so my pores look great. Like, I can't see them at all right now. This is also full coverage foundation, so that helps. But yeah, my skin looks pretty good right now, you guys. It looks pretty darn good. My nose looks really good. Alright, let's go apply some concealer. Concealer looks pretty good right now. I mean, looks kind of like the usual. Go ahead and use some powder. Okie dokie. So I just went and powdered my under eyes and the rest of my face, and you guys, my face looks really good right now. My skin looks awesome. My nose, and I really didn't even use that much of that foundation. It is full coverage, and I do use a little bit more than I did, but my skin looks so good right now. Like, I can't get over it. My nose looks awesome. I don't see any of my pores. I really think that it covered more of my pores, like the more it stayed on my skin. Holy crap. My chin looks really good. Even some of the acne that I do have on my face right now, like right in here, like it looks really well. Besides, my nose look amazing. I can't get over my forehead right now. Okay, this is looking pretty nice, you guys. I'm very pleased with this. This looks awesome. And this is just foundation, concealer, and powder. It looks really good. My skin feels very nice over in here. Very nice. I've worn this foundation before, and like it makes my skin look like really nice, and of course it covers a lot too when I use the usual amount, but this, I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of radiating a little bit. Like it just, my skin looks like a blur. Looks really beautiful. Alright, I'm going to put on some bronzer, some blush, and some highlight. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and put some bronzer, blush, and highlighter on, and you guys, my skin looks so soft right now. Like everything is so smooth. Like I can't get over it. Like usually at this point, I'm gonna put some like spray on because my face looks very powdery and even kind of chunky sometimes. But my skin looks awesome. I cannot get over it right now. Like, holy Toledo. You guys, look who wanted to say hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Got pretty eyes. over. Bye, everybody. Bye. I can't stop looking at my skin in the mirror. It looks so soft and silky, and like I don't need any powder right now, or I don't need any spray right now. It looks so good. I cannot get over my pores, my chin. Like even with the highlighter over it, I don't see any texture. Holy moly, you guys. Whoa. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up really quick, and I'm going to put some spray over my face, and let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm back. So I just went ahead and finished up my eyebrows, my eyes, and I put a little bit of gloss on. I'm not wearing too much today, I'm just staying around the house, but holy Toledo, you guys. My skin, I have not put an inch of spray on it, and it looks phenomenal. I cannot get over how good my skin looks. It looks so smooth all over. Even up close, like I said, the highlight isn't bringing any texture. It looks amazing. And I have worn this foundation before, so I know it's not totally the foundation, that it is the primer underneath. I can't get over it. Like I said, even where I have texture, it looks smooth. My face feels amazing, and honestly, guys, the back of my hands where I put some of that primer, so silky. Covered up a lot of like the lines of my hands. Now, it isn't as good as my other primers when it comes to like pore filling, but I don't see any of my pores in the mirror. None. So, holy crap, this is amazing. I'm definitely going to keep trying it out to make sure that these aren't just really good first impressions, but I will update you guys later in another video on it. But oh my gosh, this is so cool. Maybe it is worth the money. I definitely will be wearing this again. I love, love, love this. I can't get over my skin. I keep looking at myself because my skin looks so good in the mirrors. Like, so far, so good. This is definitely a win. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was kind of just a little quicker review for me. Keep watching. I've got more videos to come, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye.